So my name is Matthew. I'm the executive chef here in Jumeirah Saadiyat. Okay, we have 103 chefs on board in the pre-opening stage coming in. We have 7 F&B outlets as well as banqueting and in-room dining. So an exciting project. So the hotel, we have 293 rooms, okay? It's broken down of 70 suites and 8 villas, if I'm correct, on top, as well as our standard rooms. We're a sustainable hotel, so we're not using we're making sure no single-use plastics. We have a lot of recycling processes, from our garbage processing to a lot of our initiatives we're running within the hotel to really be a sustainable property in terms of recycling, all these different things. We're also very much, as you can see, beachside, amazing ocean on Saadiyat, very far from everyone else, so very tranquil, beautiful property. Yes, this will be the third hotel. So originally used at the casino in Manila, City of Dreams in Manila, and then also in Jumeirah, Bahrain, in the pre-opening there we used, and then again we have here within Jumeirah Saadiyat. Look there is great. For high volume, quality product that actually lasts in terms of a busy banqueting operation, kitchen operations. It's something I always try and add into our ordering list, always list, FF&E list when we're doing the specs for sure. In terms of quality long term, it's always been great. Again, coming back to quality, they last, you know what I mean, in long terms. Like items take a beating in kitchens. There's no doubt about that. I mean, day in, day use, high volume operations, banqueting. They maintain, they always look 5 years later, they still maintain that look of new, that quality, that feel to it. And it's always like something I'm looking for. You don't want to be reordering the first 2 years again. So no, it's great.